Hey y'all, how y'all doing? This is Kevin, Pickin in the Hood 2 out of St. Louis. I go to yard sales, thrift stores, anything to make some money. I can pull up on the side of the road, pick up bottles, soda cans. I don't care. But this is not about what I sold y'all. This is another rant. You know what I'm saying? I hate to keep bringing stuff up, but there's some stupid people out there. This rant is about I almost cursed. Stupid people who see this big truck coming by. Hold on, y'all. They see this big truck coming by. Hold on, let me put my Bluetooth up. The last time I used it, y'all could hear me. Yeah, last time I used my Bluetooth, the sound wasn't right. Anyway, y'all, it don't make no difference whether you're in a truck or not. It still happens. But people act like these trucks not dangerous. I'm gonna tell you what I mean. Just a few minutes ago, somebody was coming off a ramp, coming onto the highway. Now I'm on the highway. Coming on the highway, I'm going 60 miles an hour. And they came up the highway in front of me real slow. Real slow. Now I'm fast. I'm approaching them real fast because I'm going 60 miles an hour. I know they see this truck coming. Now, you come off a ramp, entering the highway. You got to yield to me. It don't make no sense for me to slow down. I'm already on the highway doing 60 miles an hour. It don't make no sense for me to slow down on the highway to let you on. I'm already on the highway. You slow down and wait for me to pass you. Okay. So, by the time I got to them, I almost, because it was a car in my left lane, I couldn't get over. So I had to slow down. So I'm on my horn, my air horn, for about 5 minutes, hold it down. Whoa! What the hell? Now, I was a fireman 25 years, right? I know y'all are sick of me saying that. But say they want to kill themselves. I don't know. Maybe they want to kill themselves. I don't know. But you would have stopped right on the highway and I would have ran over your whole car. If somebody want to kill it, I ain't going to get into that. But it seems like people is on a death mission out there or something. These trucks are dangerous. They will kill you. But it just don't happen on the highways, y'all. It don't happen on the highway. I know you all been through this too. When you're driving down the street, and it always happens when you got somewhere to go and you got to be there fast. You're driving down the street, and somebody turn off a street in front of you all slow, and you got to slow down because they turned in front of you. I'm on my horn for about 10 minutes. I almost wore my horn out one day. What the hell? I almost broke it. I held it so long. This don't make no sense, y'all. I don't know what this is in the road. Somebody dropped something in the road, an oven or something. Anyway, it don't make no sense. But it do happen in regular cars, It just don't happen in these trucks. I know you all been through this stuff. You probably been through it too. You probably know about this rant. And I hate that. That's one of the things I hate. When people, and they don't know how to drive. Anyway, y'all, I just wanted to get that off my chest. Yeah, it just happened a few minutes ago. So that's why I wanted to record and get it off my chest. But I'm sick of talking about this UNO stuff, y'all. I I went in the restroom today. It wasn't a black dude. It wasn't a white dude. It was like an Iranian. It was like a foreign guy. I say he was Iranian because he looked like he from the Mideast. He was in the middle. I'm gonna stop going to this quick trip. But anyway, so my question to you all, is it just black people that just, is it just black people that feel that way? I don't know. But I know y'all sick of hearing it. But it was a foreign dude. Well, he could be an American. I just say he foreign because I don't know what nationality he is. He could have been born here. I don't know. But anyway, so don't be sending me no questions. I say that because I don't know what nationality he is, so I say foreign dude. Okay, Middle East guy. Since y'all don't like that foreign guy stuff. Middle Eastern descent guy. Okay, he was in the middle and he wasn't even worried about it. He wasn't even, So I went on here and did it, y'all. I didn't want to. But I went on here and did it. What the hell wrong with people? Get your ass over to the next unit. Anyway, y'all. Woo, I'm glad I got that off my chest. This is the last time I'm going to talk about units. The last time. I'm not saying it no more. But every day some stupid people get in the middle. What the hell? Get out the middle. But, every time I say something about people, it reminds me of my grandmother, the stuff my grandmother said. If you don't have nothing good to say, don't say nothing at all. What the hell's wrong with that? I'm saying something. I never went against my grandmother, but I'm saying something. I don't give a... Oh, I almost cursed again. Anyway, I don't give a damn. I'm cursing. So, but anyway, y'all. It's Kevin from St. Louis. Picking in the hood, too. Yeah, I guess. Peace.